guys, it's C again. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making homemade perfume. Homemade perfume? How in the world would you make that? Would it smell good, really? Well, first I want to tell you about why I choose to make homemade perfume. As you guys know, if you've been watching my channel, I am an all-natural person. I only use all-natural products, and I refuse to put anything toxic on my body. There are already enough toxins in the air. When we drive and you smell that smell, that's toxins. You're already getting enough of those. And I decided in my life I no longer wanted to have any toxins put on my body or put inside my body. One of the things that I thought I had to give up when I started being all natural, which was a long time ago, I started being completely all natural a few months ago, but a long time ago I started making the decision switch, life changes, to become an all natural person. One thing that I thought I was going to be missing out on when becoming all natural is perfume. I loved perfume, and so does my boyfriend. And he would like it, and I would like it, and he would always compliment that I smelled good, and that made me feel really happy. Well, when I started being all natural, I was like, what to do? One of my friends, Grace, told me a long time ago that she makes homemade perfume with rose water and essential oils. Now, I've been doing Young Living essential oils for over 6 years, and I recently started selling them. So, if you look in the description box below, you will find my URL to buy essential oils through me if you're ever interested. What are essential oils, and are these really all natural? Young Living essential oils are truly all natural. They have a seed to seal guarantee, which means that from literal seed to when they seal it in the bottle, it is not touched by pesticides. It is not touched by any toxins. And in fact, it costs $12,000 per acre for them to hand weed their lavender plants instead of the $60 per acre that other essential oils companies use to hand weed their lavender plants. And that is because those $60 people, they use pesticides, they use toxins on their plants, but Young Living does not. So you really get what you pay for. Young Living essential oils are grade A. Young Living essential oils are authentic, pure essential oils. They're not synthetic essential oils, and they're not perfume oil. The synthetic and perfume oils are also made from toxins. They're made from synthetic chemicals in a lab. However, these essential oils are made literally from plants, and they have never been in contact with any sort of pesticide or toxin, which is why I choose Young Living essential oils. Now, how do we make that perfume? First of all, I want to show you the rose water that I personally use. It is this Heritage Store brand. I get it at Whole Foods, and the reason I buy this rose water is because a zero on the Think Dirty app, which I've done a tutorial on in one of my earlier videos that I can link down below in the description. A 0 is a perfect score. This has nothing bad in it. The ingredients are purified water, vegetable glycerin, and hydro essential rose. So this is some wonderful stuff here, and I'm going to be using this glass jar to put my perfume in. So first I'm just going to pour about that much rose water into my bottle. Another great benefit of this rose water is using it as like a moisturizer and setting spray for your makeup. It smells so good already, but I know I want to add some essential oils, so I sometimes switch it up with this perfume. The first essential oil I'm going to be adding to my perfume is called Stress Away. Stress Away is one of my favorite essential oils. It smells so good and takes the stress away. Stress Away contains lime, copaiba, and vanilla. Stress Away is also one of the top emotion oil blends that Young Living sells. It's very popular. So I'm going to add 15 drops at first to my rose water. Oh yes. The next essential oil I'm going to be adding to my rose water is Joy. Joy is also one of my favorite oils. My absolute favorite way to use Joy is to diffuse it in my diffuser along with an essential oil called Rose or Citrus Fresh. Having that Joy scent and the orange or Citrus Fresh mixing with it just really brightens my day. This Joy essential oil is a blend, and it contains bergamot, ylang ylang, lemon, geranium, coriander, tangerine, jasmine, chamomile, and palmarosa. It is so good. It smells amazing, and it really lifts the spirit. I remember particularly one day I was very angry and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna diffuse joy. And within minutes, I felt so much less angry. I felt fine. I was full of serenity, full of peace, very happy. And so I'm going to be putting joy in my perfume. It smells amazing. So I'm gonna start again with 15 drops. The next oil I want to be sharing with you guys is Valor. Valor is actually my mom's favorite essential oil, and it's actually blue, which is cool. Valor contains black spruce, blue tansy, camphorwood, geranium, and frankincense. And a little history about Valor is that it was used by the ancient Romans in bathhouses before they sent their soldiers into battle. So that's really cool. They literally used Valor for this courage and bravery. It really does encourage courage and bravery. When I put this on in the morning, I'm ready to take on the day. So I absolutely love Valor, and I am going to put 20 drops of Valor in my perfume. And the very last oil I'm going to be putting in my perfume is an oil called Loyalty. And I love the scent of this. I love Loyalty, and I'm gonna add 10 drops to my perfume. One thing I do suggest with creating your perfume at home is that you use a glass jar in case that you choose to use any citrus oils, which sometimes I enjoy adding orange to a perfume. And then every time I use it, I just shake it before I use it to make the oils evenly disperse within the rose water. Yes, that smells so good. This is the Tegan scent. If you guys want to buy essential oils, my URL for buying essential oils is down below. It's really easy. If you already have a diffuser, in the month of February, you can get the Welcome Home Starter Kit. It is a $237 value, but it's only $125, and they're offering that through the end of February. If you want to get a regular premium starter kit, I want to make a video about that. The premium starter kit is worth $412, but it's only $165, which is absolutely amazing. If you guys have any questions about essential oils, how to use them, how to get them, anything, comment down below. If you're interested in buying from me and have questions, you can use the email down below. And if you make a perfume, please comment down below, what oils did you use? I'm always making different ones. I love making ones with peace and calming, with orange, make more citrusy ones. I've even thought that making a peppermint one would be really cool. So yes, I'm absolutely in love with my homemade perfume and with my lifestyle of being all natural. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a little bit more about essential oils that maybe you didn't know. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!